Merry Christmas, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. And today we have something really interesting with us. As you can see, we are with board and some pictures also.
So basically, we're gonna make a vision board for our podcast, not like
Personal.
personal wale, vision boards. That's what we're gonna do on 31st because we have
That's the plan.
no plan whatsoever. So if you can give us some ideas of what two people can do together to celebrate New Year.
Two friends can
Yeah,
do
two
together.
friends. Start the New Year with the
Not
Bang.
a bang. Not a bang.
okay. So I'm Yukasha Ratra,
I'm Sakshi Jain.
and this is our podcast called
Cascal saying,
Let's Get Into It. Shut up.
so now we will be picking pictures one by one from this basket and let's see what we get. The first one says,
We have only printed. Oh भाई इसमें से धुआं निकल रहा है.
तो क्या हुआ?
It won't die ना.
पागल है क्या?
Just a sec. Okay, yeah. So this is the. I just said we won't die, and the picture says alive and well.
No, this is not a sign.
So this is basically for the podcast because I am traveling back to Delhi NCR as I've mentioned many times. So I think the first priority is survival.
Yeah.
Like even we don't know if we will continue
Like
or
we
not.
survived this year. Hopefully next year be.
हाँ,
That's
मतलब it
the-
is alive.
Yeah.
So it's the basic मतलब जिंदा रहने का survival जो होता है.
कुछ हो ना हो, survive तो करना चाहिए.
Then
What do we have next?
um
Yes, here, like you can see, travel. क्योंकि next year अगर हम continue करते हैं तो a lot of travel would be happening
Yeah.
from my end. Like if I will travel to Delhi, तो काफी
so this is something that
Flight.
should happen
Yeah,
for us to
must.
be alive.
must
So I
happen.
think we can
This
put
goes well. For some reason, Yukasha doesn't like these ducks.
because pictures इतनी realistic और motivational or aesthetic and it just gives like
It's cute.
kindergarten.
It's cute.
I used
Still
to
cute.
put it ulta, the
Yeah,
pins.
like she did here. But anyways, what next?
I think next is
You can literally choose any. There's so many pictures.
okay. This is something which is more than survival. Basically, we are
Yeah.
manifesting podcast mics, a new setup which has, I think, good sofas, planters, matlab, like
Good
a nice
vibe.
vibe. Like a
Yeah.
actual podcast vibe because right now we have really
It's
not
very gharelu
हाँ.
setup.
we have not really invested in anything like just a light
Tools and all,
and
little bit.
the what do you call these mics. So we manifest like thoda zyada
अच्छा setup.
investment, which
हाँ.
will take a lot of investment basically if you are traveling and if we are changing the setup. That means we are gonna spend some money next year on us.
Definitely.
So that is there.
So that is what we manifest for the coming year.
Okay, next is something very important that we totally skip and which is very sad. I tried to like aim कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा shorts या reels डालें because that is the only way we can promote it,
Yeah.
and we lack it very badly.
Yeah, procrastination या क्या. Even we have even taken this subscription of I don't know, some AI tool or something wherein we can very easily cut out the reels and short content from our podcast. But और उसमें भी कुछ ज़्यादा effort नहीं लगता. It's like some effort because वहाँ पे जो captions
so
होते
it
हैं we talk in
basically creates subtitles. We
Exactly.
wanted कि अगर जो shorts या reels जा रही है तो subtitles के साथ ही जाए. So there are many free AI tools जिसमें if you're just speaking in English, it is very easy to create subtitles.
Yeah.
If you're just speaking in Hindi, it's very easy. We talk in English. मतलब sentence के बीच में ही एकदम से हिंदी English हो जाएगा. So right now there is no AI tool which I feel if you know let me know जो exactly सुन के आपका वो कर दे. If you are even talking in English and you tell AI to make it in Hindi, it will literally translate every word
in Hindi.
in Hindi, but
Quite literally.
it won't do that English thing कि exactly जो हम बोल रहे हैं So yeah, that takes a bit of time
Mhm.
because we have to keep changing the words according to what we speak. But still, it's a very, very, very big lag, and
We will be doing that,
hopefully,
manifesting that. Yeah.
should we put reels also? Because एक बार
Yeah,
वो
like
content cut हो गया, so it can go
anywhere.
as shorts and reels. So yeah.
And I think next picture we have is about our friendship because it is very important to, survive this whole thing.
I think this also relates very much to it.
Yeah.
So two things that we need is friendship and basically
Business
business partnership to make it
angle. Work.
survive, live. So yeah, दो लोग जो हम हैं वो तो चाहिए ही.
Definitely. You can just clip it together also.
तो उधर ही डालो.
Okay.
बेटा हो.
That's that.
Okay, next is what else? This is okay. So I think the next one we should go for these, which basically means अगर next year हम continue करते हैं तो हमें 1 year हो जाएगा in August, I feel.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we are manifesting that we do achieve our birthday. So it's basically about 1 year का birthday cake, and we celebrate our birthday. We get
That's
to do
what
that.
we're manifesting 1 year ka birthday cake for. Cocktail same. Let's go.
So yeah, I'll put here. यार पिन्स भी कम है मतलब बजट इश्यूज भी चल रहे हैं तो आई ट्राई टू पिन इट टुगेदर ओनली. ठीक है. So that means we get to celebrate our birthday and our 1 year.
And next we have something super interesting with a story, of course. Thumbnail pictures. I don't know, हमारे पास एंड में जाके ना एक्सप्रेशंस ही खत्म हो जाते हैं. लाइक हर वीडियो में थंबनेल में वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग सेम एक्सप्रेशन. लाइक व्हाट डू वी डू नाउ?
साक्षी पूछेगी तो ऐसे किस टॉपिक पे बात करी अभी, जैसे पता नहीं कौन सा ही अंदर से एक्सप्रेशन निकालने वाली है.
लिटरली द सेम. मतलब वही यू nothing.
So we manifest to have a lot of expression. This is actually very funny, and she has a lot of expression. So like hopefully,
yeah, we will try making. You can take inspiration from here. We also had like a couple of options for this as well. So
forget about thumbnail expression. The point is, most of the videos हम लोग thumbnail खींचना ही भूल जाते हैं.
मतलब दो ब्रेन सेम गलती हर बार कैसे कर सकते हैं.
और हम अपने रूम्स में जाते हैं, मैं थोड़ा प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट करती हूँ चेंज करने में, तो मुझे आधे घंटे बाद याद आता है, and I'm still in my
makeup and everything. So and I'm someone who would just go in my room and change full makeup उतार के, and I just want to get comfortable, cozy. And then she's texting me after like an hour or something that, bro, thumbnail. And I'm like,
and we always forget. So this one is for a
reminder basically.
Mental note. और कितनी बार हुआ है कि एक दो बार तो बिना thumbnail के गया है, और एक आध बार I'm always like कि चल अगले दिन let's just get ready and click a thumbnail.
But then the creativity. One time she even like screenshotted some expression from the video and then she made a whole thing. That was crazy.
Savior. So I think we'll put it with this only.
Yeah.
कि expressions तो बाद में आएंगे.
भूलना नहीं है.
Mental note of us clicking the picture actually.
It's very important. So far it looks good.
So basically अभी तक सब कुछ survival mode है. Like it's alive.
And the thing is, it is not something that we are being very unrealistic या कुछ तो भी out of the ordinary कर रहे हैं. Very basic things we are manifesting for the next year also.
So I'm just saying कि alive रहने के लिए we'll have to travel.
Yeah.
So we need that. Setup has to be changed. Like this is something we are also manifesting कि अच्छा हो जाए, but anyway it will change because this is not going to be the setup. If we continue, we get to celebrate this. Very
and
basic
to do
things.
this, we'll need to do this as well. Like
create
more content, short
and
form
obviously
content.
stay together to make this entity
work.
So next is thoda sa over and above manifestation. This basically means partnerships in any kind, small, big. So
sure. Yeah, basically deals. We get more
So I have
gigs and
never
all.
created a vision board. कभी खुद के लिए भी मैंने नहीं बनाया है, but Sakshi keeps making a lot of vision boards
Yeah.
and what I get to know कि you have to put some realistic images. जैसे you know, if it was up to me, everything would have been a
Really, some
cartoonish,
yeah,
vector,
like this.
cute stuff. तो pink होता सब कुछ, same color coordinated होता सब कुछ, but it has to be realistic images.
Like
so
the
that
thing is, what we imagine, it comes true. Like, you know, can imagine this picture coming true, for example. So that's the whole thing about vision boards. Numbers, numbers, numbers. We need numbers. Here we have some real numbers.
we
Insta पे आना चाहिए numbers.
we also had a dashboard downloaded, but I think नहीं हुआ.
Anyways, but हाँ मतलब numbers पे भी हमने काफी realistic number choose किए हैं. ऐसा नहीं 1 million जा रहा है 2 million नहीं. 100 likes. That's
Now we just
achievable.
live with this black वाला भाप जो भी निकल रहा है इसमें से. It's just the vibe.
Okay.
Can't do anything.
What else? What do we have?
We had one more option for numbers, but I think that's done. Oh yes, this one.
Yeah.
So we also manifest getting someone else on the podcast, like a third person, जिसके लिए मतलब हमें mics चाहिए, क्योंकि हमने इसी साल सोचा था कि we'll get somebody, but then we realized that we just have a
She
mic
even
setup.
texted someone saying that would you like to join us for the podcast and all, and then I reminded her. Bro,
So
we
I
only have 2
basically
mics.
spoke to someone who is thoda different from our age, comes from a different background. She's married and all that. So I wanted somebody from a different background.
Perspective,
हाँ,
basically.
perspective. So बाद में याद आया कि we don't have a setup of mic.
What are we gonna do? Passing the passer खेलेंगे
हाँ, मतलब वो
mic के
बड़े वाला
साथ.
mic भी नहीं है ना कि pass कर दे. It's literally like this. So I
Yeah.
cannot pass this little mic. So basically for this to happen,
We need this.
good setup.
So it's like everything is interconnected out here.
Do we have a pen?
Yeah, yeah. Still have a lot of pins. And a lot of pictures as well.
Okay.
Something again very interesting and with a story.
So I've written some words there. It says crazy, also, and exactly, and there's a graph which is going down. So I'll tell you, जब भी मैं कोई story सुना रही होती हूँ, sometimes we take retakes because there
A
is
lot of retakes.
no one
sometimes.
sitting behind the cameras. तो कभी battery short हो जाएगा या कभी storage का
Storage
problem आ
नहीं
गया है, तो
होगा.
हमें पता नहीं लगता. We keep on speaking and just ends, मतलब वो बंद हो जाता है बीच में. So we have to repeat a lot of things. तो कभी कभी वो stories भी repeat हो जाती है because obviously it's not scripted और मैं उसी टाइम बोल रही हूँ. तो Sakshi would reply to me looking into nothingness, like nothingness. She would say, crazy, crazy. And she would just throw crazy as these fillers. And one time I just switched my expression into one more time you say crazy and I walk off. मतलब वो बिना सुने बोल देती है, तो बोलती है मैं क्या बोलूँ इनको, भाई सुन लेना मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, just listen to me and reply back. So she would
It's 12 fucking a.m.
whatever.
I don't know what to
What
do.
I some
Yeah, crazy.
every time I use crazy, it's in a sentence. Yeah, मतलब कि हाँ मतलब काफी crazy
Yeah.
हो गया था. She would just put it as like fillers. मतलब वो धनिया. मतलब also.
You just said it.
हाँ तो हम कभी कभी next उस पे जाने के लिए story पे भी just say also.
But we're trying to improve on that as well. So
Yeah, but the
वो भी थोड़ा काम
connecting
होना चाहिए.
stories better and also exactly we use exactly a lot. But this is something not as a filler. हम इसको सच में मतलब
It's
emotion
just
से
two
बोलते हैं.
girls vibing.
Yes. So the point is that the graph for this one should go down.
Yeah. And then we have some more pictures. Like we are also manifesting some travel next year and get more content. So yeah, cute.
Should I put this?
Can do.
Okay. Next.
And yes, money. We are
You
next
ask.
year manifesting to at least monetize our channel. Please, you'll have to help us with that.
Little bit. मतलब इतना
हाँ
कुछ
मतलब at least
crazy
start तो
dream.
होना चाहिए. That's what we aim for. At least हम उस चीज के अंडर तो आए. whatever the criteria is. We are trying to achieve that.
You know what? This picture
Which
looks
one is
like
that?
Kala Ghoda wala area.
I know, right?
The Kala Ghoda area resembles a lot to London ka streets. So this is something which can actually be recreated, I feel. So
No,
I think,
well, that's not the point. We want to recreate it in London only. I think it's Paris also.
but
Looks
I
like
don't
that.
know if I travel to Mumbai, that means something is going now. Because
हाँ
why
हाँ,
would I?
true.
Because I'll travel back तो मैं यहाँ नहीं रही ना कि हम नहीं रही ना कि हम लोकल लेके पहुंच गए काला घोड़ा. So if this is
Absolutely.
happening, that
Then
means
something is happening.
exactly.
Yeah.
So I think we can we replace something? We can replace this.
Or we can just put it on that also. Just top it off.
Okay. Then next is something which says fearless and be bold. Right now we stay away from talking a lot of personal experiences and क्योंकि कुछ हो नहीं रहा है इससे अभी पैसे नहीं आ रहे कि अगर हमारे घर वाले मना करें कि तुम certain चीजें मत बोलो सी we can't be like listen we are earning from it we are getting money or getting anything money is something ऊपर but कुछ भी ऐसा हो नहीं रहा है कि हम उन्हें
बोल सके
dismiss कर
basically.
सके इस चीज पे. So I have been into trouble of by saying कि oh I was drinking one time and this and that. Not like my family doesn't know, but they felt like I shouldn't be speaking about certain things. I don't know. It was a whole fiasco. But the thing is, my demographic, our age people, it's normal for us. And my parents obviously they love to see whatever I'm trying to do. So they
But like the whole
watch it
point
through.
is that we are trying to be more bold next year, sharing more personal stuff and bold things.
This is something जो हम चाहते हैं कि हम कर पाए इमोशनली मतलब हमें अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा इस चीज के लिए to for it to
Next
actually happen.
picture that I so want to recreate.
Yeah.
We are working somewhere, cafe and good vibes and working on our podcast, have laptops and sipping coffee.
This
It's
means
just
that
the perfect.
हाँ मतलब it's something in
So
between.
warm.
We are in
Exactly.
transit कि हम किसी कहीं घर पे नहीं बैठे हैं या कुछ नहीं है. We are on
On
it.
the go, yeah.
So
That's also one.
I'll just hold it. Can you put it
Yeah.
down there?
You'll have to hold it. It's done.
Where is it?
Yeah.
अच्छा. We also had like a brain and heart balance or alive में we also had like a beating heart keeps going on.
We did a lot of options also.
Options सारे print हो गए जो और extra थे 1 2 are left which is okay fine.
We tried our best to get that printed as well.
We
but
went
it's
to
just
the
that
stationery in Bandra because we were in Bandra yesterday. तो मैंने कहा एक दो जो बच रहे करवा लेते हैं. I can see a stationery. We went up to the stationery and the auntie was like मैंने बोला एक glossy sheet पे 4 कर दो. She's like आप करके दो ना मुझे जो भी आते हैं वो करके ही देते हैं. And she didn't know anything और उन्होंने हमें इतना कन्विंस किया कि हम कर देते हैं प्रिंट एक पेज पे एक प्रिंट कर देते हैं. लाइक फाइन अब हमें कहाँ मिलेगा स्टेशनरी.
but we even tried doing that. Like हम slides पे गए, हमने वो 4 images पूरा किया. It was a task to do it on the mobile.
And
but
they
then
were like pretty old and they kept on trying. फिर
we
वो
were like a bit technically challenged.
तो वो पेज निकल रहा है एंड देन वो धीरे वो पेज को दोबारा डाल रहे हैं और मुझे
एकदम एक्साइटमेंट हो रहा है कि अभी आएगा क्या, नर्वसनेस अभी आएगा क्या, फिर वो वापस से डाल रहे हैं.
और जब पहली पिक्चर निकली तो 4 सांसें सुनाई दी ऐसे फाइनली. पर वो 4 में से 2 ही निकाल पाए बेचारे एंड
20 मिनट लग गए.
20-25 मिनट हम वहाँ खड़े थे लाइक now we're getting late so let's skip it. Wait, I didn't talk about it. So this is basically a woman standing in a very ethereal kind of a look. So it just says good vibes, the ability to thrive, blessings, peace, good energy, good vibes, happiness.
This we can even put in our personal vision board.
Good vibes. Do we have a pin left?
Yeah. So that's a bit, I think
we are done. हमारे less low production budget में यही इतना ही मिलेगा. एक पिन और है तो कुछ डालना है तो डाल सकते हैं. We have 1 pin left. What else should we can put balance,
Yeah, mind and heart.
mind and heart balance.
Give me the pen now.
These are options. Yeah, I think this one works.
Also, we have put these cute ribbons.
Huh.
We forgot to talk about it.
This is our Luke. We also created this. We didn't turn on the light. Wow.
Are we being serious right now? So this is again
Oh,
reminder.
I
दो
can't.
लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं ऐसा? I don't know. I think our brains are synced now.
Not for a
I feel
good
so
cause.
stupid.
Anyway,
It's fine, guys.
This is
हमारे ऑडियंस हमारे जैसा ही है. So we don't have to worry about that.
मेरा फेस का एक्सप्रेशन ही इतना ऑफ हो गया. Okay, it's fine.
I'm happy that we realized it in the end.
Chalo, whatever.
Chalo, so
This is our vision board, and we'll get back to it if we get to achieve anything.
definitely.
इसमें से, so we'll keep getting back to it, and I think this is gonna be our background also. So this grid, if you remember, it was our background forever. It's still gonna be our background for coming months, and we'll just have our vision board behind us.
Yay!
So happy holidays, Merry
Happy
Christmas.
holidays.
We'll see you next year now.
Definitely.
Join us, show us some love.
1st of Jan, I think. Like,
Oh हाँ.
first day.
No, 1st of Jan कैसे हो सकता है?
It's Wednesday, क्योंकि.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's starting like 1st January is Wednesday. So,
So we'll meet you on the 1st, and whoever sees it, just comment. Please comment down and help us gain more subscribers. Let's try
share it with
to
your
do
friends,
something.
family, groups, and also on Instagram. Just give us a follow. And yeah, that's it. Bye.